Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Amazon on a desktop browser or mobile app. This ensures you access full membership controls. Once signed in, navigate to Account and Lists, then Your Account, and open Memberships and Subscriptions. You want to locate the Prime membership card so you can see the renewal date and current payment method. Doing this first prevents accidental cancellations or timing mistakes. Make sure you're using the account that actually pays for Prime. Otherwise, you won't see the cancel options. Once on the Prime page, click Manage Membership or Edit Benefits to open detailed settings. You'll see an option to end membership or to turn off auto-renew. Select the option that stops future charges. Amazon will display prompts explaining what you'll lose and whether you qualify for any refund. Read those so you know the implications. Confirm your choice when asked. If you're eligible for a prorated refund, Amazon will outline the amount. Otherwise, it simply prevents the next automatic charge. After confirming cancellation, watch for an email confirmation and refresh memberships and subscriptions to verify the status change. That proves auto-renewal is off. If the option isn't available or the page errors, clear your browser cache, try a different device, or sign out and sign back in. These steps fix most UI glitches. If problems persist, contact Amazon customer service via chat or phone and provide order/account details. Finally, save a screenshot of the confirmation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.